Hello everyone, good day. As we all know, present is the key to the past. And studying Earth history enables us to understand those changes in the past and to relate them to the modern changes. In the previous semester, we studied about stratigraphy. It is the field that is important in understanding the geological history of our planet. In stratigraphy, it is introduced to us that there are sedimentary structures or we need to study sedimentary structures to able to know what happens in the past. So today we will discuss or review what is the sedimentary structure bedding. Bedding. So what is bedding? It is also called stratification. It is characterized by sedimentary rocks that are layered overlying and underlying subsequent beds of different sedimentary rocks. Bedding may occur when one distinctly different layer of sediment is deposited on an older layer. For example, sand and pebbles deposited on silt, or when a layer of exposed sedimentary rock has a new layer of sediments deposited on it. So it if you see a one thicker than 1 centimeter layering, it is called as bedding. So what are the processes that form bedding? There are three different um, sedimentary processes that form bedding. First is sedimentation from suspension. Sedimentation is a process of allowing particles in suspension in water to settle out of the suspension under the effect of gravity. Next is the horizontal accretion from a moving bed load. Accretion means the process of growth or increase typically by the gradual accumulation of additional layers. So, next is the encroachment into the lee of an obstacle. So, encroachment means having the sheltered side of something or the side away from the. Next, we have here the laminae. Laminae is a small-scale sequence of layers that occurs in sedimentary rocks. So, laminae is a layer thinner than 1 centimeter. So, lamination can occur as parallel structures or parallel lamination or in different set that makes an angle with each other or cross lamination. It can occur in many different types of sedimentary rocks, from coarse sandstone to fine shales, mudstones, or in the evaporites. So, since lamination or laminate is a thin layer, there are things that can destroy lamination. So, first is the flocculation of clays. So, flocculation mean, it is a process in which clay and other soil particles adhere to form larger groupings or aggregates, thereby coarsening the soil texture and making heavier soil easier to cultivate. Next is the bioturbation. Bioturbation is defined as the reworking of soils and sediments by animals or plants, including human. These include also burrowing, ingestion, and defecation of sediment grains. So, we have also here a term called varve. So, what is varve? So, varve is a bedding planes created when laminae and beds are deposited in repetitive cycles, typically daily or seasonally. Next is the normal and reverse grading. Normal bedding. So it is characterized by coarse components at the bottom, and toward the top it becomes finer. It is formed as a product of deposition from a slowing current. The reverse grading. So, reverse grading is characterized by a coarser component at the top and finer at the bottom. This is a product of deposition by a fast-moving debris flow. So, that's the end of my report. Thank you for listening.